database. The database is too large, isn't it? The database is very too large. So in the database, the data store in table format or not? In the database, the data store in table format. When the data store in table format, so can we call the data to explore inside or not? So very simple what I'm trying to say. So that's called metrics. What is metrics? Form of rows and columns. So in the organizations, we have a database. In the database, no audio. Srinivas, can you check your internet connection? Srinivas? Okay. So after every, okay, Amlan, I hope you're clear. All right. So, okay, Arbaj and Srinivas, I will talk to you. So you check your connections, guys. Okay. Just Srinivas, please check your mic. Offline, online team, it's working. Am I clear? Am I audible? Everyone can. Am I audible, guys? Please respond. Yes. Good. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for your response. Okay. So in database, we have a matrix or not? But metrics, you cannot create a matrix without data structure, isn't it? So that's why we learn data structures now. So data structures are how many type? Two type. What I told. Inbuilt data structure, user defined data structure. What is inbuilt data structure? List, tuple, set, dict. What is user defined data structure? Stack, tree, then linked list, then anyone else? Queue. Queue. Very good. So this one easy, this one little tough. But don't worry, I'll manage everything so well. So all those things, good job. So now here, what is the first concepts? List always defined with which bracket? Square brackets. Do you see this? If you go back to the data structures, list is square bracket. Okay. Now, how do you go to the code? Just go to the code. Now, I already explained you yesterday. Okay, just go here and let me review quick. Everyone open your laptop. Everyone open your laptop. Cool. Just you do two activities, listening and typing. Listening and typing. I will tell you some rules and please work on it. List define with square brackets. Let's go ahead and execute and type list, execute list. If I change this square brackets to open bracket, just go ahead and type it's a tuple. Understand or not? So some of them call tuple or tuple. So let me also tell you the students, the learners who learned Python already, just calm down. And for you, it is easy now. It is easy now. But after 1 week, when I explain statistics, when I explain ML algorithms, you don't know those things, guys. So you know that doesn't mean that you know everything. Understand? And very much clear, this is a superb sessions which I will tell you. Just trust my class. Am I clear, guys? Trust my class, trust your hard work, trust your communications in front of interviews, and speak well in front of the interview to crack the first round. Not for job, crack the first round. Just go to second round. So everybody has to be goal. Voice is breaking. Let me write down. There is a many students who joined mobile Wi-Fi and mobile Wi-Fi and definitely you got some call. So definitely the voice will break or not. Now what happened? Sir, the voice is breaking. Now they can tell that the voice is breaking. No, guys, I'm clean. Please you check your internet. It's not. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What's the only one be technical? Who said Sandhya? There's a two technical round. In interview, there is two technical rounds. The first level and second level. That's it. First level would be hard. First level would be always hard. I will tell you some techniques how to clear the first rounds, all those things. Don't be panic. Okay. So just go ahead and understand today's session. Let's go back to the document. List is square, tuple is open bracket. Listen to me. So list, when you work with me, are you see this? When I change list open bracket and type of list is tuple or not? But as we're going on list data structure, just go here and type. Everything is connected with one to other concept. So this connection is important. So here, just go ahead and try type of L. It is list now. What is length function? Inbuilt function or not? Inbuilt function. Function always ends with what? Open brackets and close brackets. So length means how many element we have here? How many value? Did I define any value inside the list? Did I define any value inside the list? Zero. So that's why you can work with me online team. No. So that's why the value is zero. Now I want to add value to the empty list. So the interview question, very simple. How to create empty list, isn't it? So what is the answer? L equal to, just that's it. Open bracket and close brackets. We create a empty list. Pretty clear, everyone? Just go ahead. And now what I said yesterday, in no need to type. See, don't type the code hurry and very fast. Try to be logic, be a mature guy, understand and work. To work on data science, you required proper mindset. Understand? So what is meant by L dot? Now you don't ask why dot, why not star, why not underscore. This is all the not a wrong right questions, guys, isn't it? When rule is you have to count from 1 to 3, isn't it? From the start, when you say if I should count -1, you can count based on the use case, based on the L dot tab. Do you see list has these functions or not? Append, clear, copy, count, extend, index, insert, pop, remove, reverse, sorting. Same thing. I just go here. I will give you one documentations today, list code. First, I will explain, then I'll give you list will never forget in your lifetime. List never forgot in your lifetime. How? Let's go ahead and do work with me. The first, what is the first code? Append. What exactly append, guys? Shift tab, L dot A tab, enter. Are you getting my point? So what I'm trying to done, L dot A tab, done, enter. Functions always ends with open bracket. If I don't mention the open bracket, close bracket, do you see? You got any response here? Did you got any response here? No. So just, but not error, just open bracket and close bracket. And I want to append the value 10. Just execute and L. It was, now you got output, guys. And so here print L and then print length of L. Just execute. So here, how many length, how many element we have? One element or not? Every day, 5 months we'll work like this. 5 to 6 months we work like this. Sometimes we'll take Saturday, I'll take more sessions, 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Means you have to sit with me. See, if you learn data science, okay, don't be complete things in 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Need extra time to work hard. So I want you to work. I'll explain with examples. Calm down, come, enroll, complete the, enrollment process means you paid and then come here and all the questions you can ask. No worries about that. Okay. Nagababu, please pick my call. Sushavan, Amlan, tuple, we didn't start. Sushavan, what is questions? Tell me. I will talk to you. Maybe later. Don't go. I will talk. Yesterday you left. I will talk to you. Okay, Sushavan? No problem. Okay, so let me tell you guys. So the students who paid the fees, I see many of them paid. Once you paid the fees, don't worry, man. That's why you got the link to attend the class, right? And sometimes the maybe not updations done. Tomorrow the link will change. If your name is not listed in the classroom, I will give you the link. You can join. So, okay, Shushavan. So don't worry and don't be panic. Don't angry. Okay, you're young blood, right? All those things. So don't be angry. Okay? Yeah. Just calm down. Sorry for that. Actually, 12 will be balanced. No problem. No problem. So you get, if you not get link, okay, Sushavan, don't worry. Calm down. Okay, just go here. Just work with me. See, just today I will share this doc. I want to complete. Work with me. Calm down. Work. Talk to me. I'll give my numbers. Everyone study together. Work together. Get offers. Not after the class. After the class, I have minimum 10 offers. Right? Just go here. List is, we can have different. Do you see list one? Let me complete and then we go back to this. Look at this code. Append functions, are we clear? Now look at this code I will share you today. This document, empty list. Integer data type I define inside the list or not? How many argument I pass? 3. What is type of the argument? Great man, you understand technical word now. That's good. What is argument? Technical word or not? Parameters, technical word, fantastic. So here, int argument. So when I list 2, you get output or not? Good. Now next. What argument I pass here? Float 3. You can pass list is growable or not. What is growable? Based on the user declaration, it will grow. For example, just go to the code. Just go to the code here. L.append. It was 10 before. Now I append 20, 30, 40. Now how many length limit now? So what is length limit? Length of L. It is 4 elements. Pretty clear? It is 4 element. Now indexing. What is index? Index begins with 0 or 1, guys? 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So just have a look at it. So list of 0 index, that means we got output as 10. Now pretty clear? 0, 1, 2, 3. Now when I say list of third index, acknowledge me, guys. What is answer? Very simple. You have result. That's what you answer me. No. Just list of -1. Length of list. This part clear? Yesterday, I append which float data types, Boolean data types, complex and string. Just go here and you're done. List is growable. Don't you think? What is the next comments? I can say list is growable. List is growable. So when you say append shift tab, any functions you want to know, just create a new, type help and execute. Can you type help, guys? Here in the code, type help, open functions. Now when you type help, do you see HTTP Python 3.11 tutorials? You get to see this link. I want everyone right click and open click the link. That means everyone has to follow this material. Everyone has to follow the material. Are you listening me? Just go to help options. You cannot close. Listen to me. Online tips or order sequence means sequence order for 0 index, 1 index. Okay, Amit? Yeah. So this is sequence. When you click, do you see help options? You get a prompt. You get a prompt or not? In the prompt, enter list. Do you see all the inbuilt class method given? No, I don't talk much. Do you see what functions here? Length functions or not? If you see, little go up, little go up. And if you check add function, I told you add method or not? What is add method? Internally, system called add method. They are magic methods in Python. Interview questions. How do I get this? How do I close? Do you see star mark, everyone? Do you see star mark? Star mark means, do you see this sign? Do you see this sign? Please understand few things. So this star mark means the code is executing in backend. The code is running in the backend. You cannot go to next code. So I have to stop it. I have to stop it. How do you stop it? To stop it, just you go again, quit. Check this. Now it stopped. Proper stop. Can you type QUIT? Can you type QUIT? So here, do you see we have many methods or not? What are the magic methods? Just, I want to tell you, there's a few things. Just go here, help options, and I'll hash it. Okay. Now, every time when you execute help, the output will pop up or not? I want to deactivate this command. I want to hash it. Comment means the code won't run anymore. Hash means the code won't run anymore. So there, I will try to explain the very powerful of commenting. Commenting. What is meant by hash? Do you know in 10th class we done mathematics and science, all those things? And when you have some important topic comes up, we write a short notes inside or not? Do a rectangle, do a flowers, do a elephants, do a peacock in the notepad or not? No, some saying, man. So here, when you comment means in organizations, let's say, when someone quit the job, then only you get a job, isn't it? When someone quit the job, then only you get a job. Fresher, it's not something like that. So let's assume is a employee quit the job. He must be done some code before. He must be done some code before. When a new joy joined, new employee joined, he read the code or not? When he read the code, when you comment it, you understand the code very easily. So, but nowadays, what happened? It is selfish world, politics world. I put down the paper. Why I should write the comment? These guys rub all the comments, isn't it? So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So here, commenting. So any code you run done in the code, you can mention a comment here. This is hash. So here I type this hash. A user declare float data type as argument. Very much understand or not? So after 10 days, after 2 months, when you open the code, you understand easily what is the behavior of the brain. Today we learn, tomorrow we forgot. That's the behavior for everyone. So that's what we have to do, a revision. So in the, I hope you got this. Let's try this code. Are you work with me, team? So can you please tell how to exit help, Prasanna? I think, let me tell you one more time. Everyone go to help and you got this output. Try to see quit, QUIT. But before quit, do you see one link? Let me copy the link, refer to this link because Python says, hey, users, please refer me. This is the link. So if you refer, if you not understand, leave it. Don't be a panic. Don't worry at all. You just type quit and enter. Cool. Do you see we come out of this exit now? Go ahead and hash it. Done, everyone? Append functions close. Now let's go to list is grayable or not. Earlier, we have 4 element. Now I had 1, 2, 3, 4, but there's an interview question. How do you count? How many element you have a list? Which code? Which code? Which functions? Length functions of L. We have how many elements? 8 elements. Pretty clear. Append functions. What is append? Add the object at the end of the list. See the code first 10, then 20, 30, 40. Add at the list. That is the behavior of the functions. Behavior of the functions. Understand, team? Just scroll down. Aparna will talk at the last. Sorry, because right now the class is going on and we will speak. Arbad Sheikh and Aparna, don't go. I will speak. I'll unmute you. You have to speak if you have any questions. Okay, good. So please, team, my team is keep posting. Today is the free link. You won't get free link from tomorrow. Please get back to you. The session is wonderful. I'll speak loud with confidence. Many of us, many interviews you will get. You go for sitting interview. We do practical with me. Next week, we'll try to work with NumPy. We work on visualizations, complete one by one. Clear? Okay, just go here. For loop. I will explain loop later. So if you see this one, this is basic part. I will explain all those things later. As we start beginning, try this code. Let me listen to me once. Logic, I'll tell you. Functions always ends with open bracket. In Python, whenever you do colon, when you enter, do you see four space? One, two, three, four. That's called indentation. What is the technical word? Indentations. What is indentations? That means whenever you write, whenever you write any loop and you ends with colon, just let me go back and always remember, are you getting my point? What's meant by commenting? Are you in the class? Or you in the class, you think about yesterday cricket match? These are two things. In the class and work, that's important. So here commenting means, so developer, we are a developer now. And when we write the code with colon, by default, your cell, what is called cell? Cell means the prompt is called cell. This is prompt or not? The cell automatic understand. Okay, let's go here. The cell automatic understand a user enter loops, and I have to give by default 4 spaces. Always remember this. By default, how many spaces? 4 spaces. And it happen automatically. That's why Python is called dynamic programming language. Dynamic programming language. So few concepts understand automatically due to PVE, Python virtual, PVM, Python virtual machines. I mean to say, what I'm saying, just go here, A equal to, as I'm saying, A equal to 5 and type of A. So automatic understand or not, it is integer data type. When I change 5.5, it is automatic understand. This concept is called dynamic programming language. But in Java, we have to write int A equal to 5, float B equal to 5.5. We have to declare that. So if you're, I hope understand, many Java developers are here, and Python is created only for non-technical students. God created Python only for non-technical. Getting my point? So chill and work and enjoy the subjects. You love it, man. Trust me. Clear, guys? Okay, so when I'm here, so no fear. Okay. So I have to speak these dialogues as well. Okay. Unable to. Hina, I will tell you later. Just focus the class. I will tell you how to download all the file in the Google Classroom. Clear. So again, I'm saying when I'm here, so no fear. All right, guys. So don't worry. Let's win. Just close it. Just go back for loop. Would you done? For I in L, print I. You got all those things. Now, why I? Why not J? Let's check J, print I. Error or not? Because see, J equal to NIT. So print K, and I have to print K. Just go here. Cool. When you mention for loop, when you mention for, internally system understand iter and next concepts, which is, oops, class, I will explain this one. So this is little advanced and we will explain all the part. So the best way, I means iteration. What is iterations? First, 10. What is next iterations? 20. What is next iterations? 30. So these print or not? So then you go back to the print. Okay, this part we done. Now length L1 equal to, see, when I create, so how, what is identifier I defined L now? Today I define L1 again. L1 equals to L dot copy. Functions shift tab. written a shallow copy of the list. Do you see this shallow copy? So now the technical word. So I think some guy yesterday asked what is meant by shallow. So exactly, and if you see this built-in function or method, built-in means internally. When you install the software, those developers are already created and give it to you. And you just call it clear. That's called built-in. So here I create L1. Why we got this bug, guys? L1, sorry, because I already created. I think I changed to L2 now. Why we got error this L2? Why we got this L2? Anyone? Because we haven't defined before. We haven't defined before. Now L2 equal to L dot copy. Now L2 is equals to these things. Does L equal to L1? Yes, it is. Now L. So how many functions we covered? Append functions we covered. And next L dot tab clear. So I have three identifier L and L1 and L2. That means in internally in virtual RAM, we create a three memory space. In the RAM, we create a three memory space L, L1 and L2. So L1 holds this, L1 hold this, L2 hold this. Now I want to clear. My manager said, hey buddy, please, I don't want L1 identifier. Can you please delete it? Can you please delete it or clear it? Now L1 dot clear. So just go here, shift tab, read, remove all items from the list. What exactly it means, guys? Remove all items from the, yeah, three different address. That's very good, Sushavan. Yep, three different address. Excellent, good. So L1 dot clear. What exactly clear? Remove all items from the list. So the moment when I done just L1, what happened now? It is eliminated or not? I mean to say, in here, we create a three memory spaces, three space here in RAM. Every has element, but L1 we deleted or not? But variable is won't deleted, guys. If I want to delete the variable, use del L1. Use del L1. Just go here. Now check L and L2, then L1. L1 is eliminated or not? Are you guys understand clear function? Online team and offline team. 7:30 p.m. batch. Am I clear? Just response Y. Don't type yes, just Y. Shortcuts. Good. Fantastic. Concepts clear. Next, go ahead to the next one. So what is the next concepts? L dot tab. Copy we learned or not? Append we covered. Clear count, copy count. Okay, now L execute. So here L dot append 10, L dot append 20. I have these elements. I want to add 10, 20 again. So 10 already available in the list or not? I want to add at the end. Just check this now, L. So what happened? 10, 20 already added. Duplicate is allowed or not? In list, the next concepts, duplicate is allowed in list. Duplicate is allowed in list. Copy function is working or not? Clear functions will work. Clear functions and del the identifier. So why I mention like this? In tomorrow, whenever you apply for a Python developer jobs, they will ask these are the basics things and install of Jupyter app system. Can we use web browser? Jupyter is anything that's fine. Mohammed, end of the day, you know driving, right? It doesn't matter which vehicle you got, you will drive. Clear, Mohammed? Okay, so and if you use clear, only the values list get clear, but memory is not correct. Venu. Next one. I will mention. Do you want me to mention like this or you don't want? Do you want me to mention like this all the notes or you don't want? I'm very much systematic guy. One by one, I'll cover. First, we study first grade, then we go to second grade. First grade to college, no, it's highly impossible. Clear, guys? So first, we concepts identifier, data type we covered. Now we working with data structures. Then we go to metrics because all are three dots. All are three dots. So I will mention this. And also remember, if I explain, if I open it now, just go here. And first, which one we're studying? Python. Then slowly we go to data analysis. Then slowly EDA. Whenever these two topics comes up, I will write down every answers. I will write down. Trust me, you just come and listen the class and practice with me. See the results in week on week basis and track your map. I will tell you few pointers. Make a calendar, guys. Every day, whenever you study, do a tick mark. Today I studied. So that's called indications by yourself. So these IITs, these IIMs, they do like this. They have a follow-up plans and mentions before you sleep, recall the memory. What are the topics I learned? So you never forgot. Those things would help you to crack a job. Understand? So this is very important. Few of them understand what I'm saying. Am I clear? Just go here and let's minimize. Just go to the point. Let's get back to the code. Now, L dot clear, are we covered? Now my question, L dot count. So duplicate is allowed or not? So when I say L dot count, and if I ask 10, just check what is the count? 2. Why? 1 and 2. So let's copy the code. And are you working with me? Online team, offline team? I will give you enough time to type. If you slow in type, don't worry, don't type. I said use tab. Online team, are you working? Everyone, yes. So L dot count 20. What is 20 doing? How many times? You have 22 times or not? Let's assume why we learn this course. For example, every company has a, let's say, sales forecast. We build one model, sales forecasting. 2010, company produce 300 umbrella. 2021, company produced 300 umbrella. Now, your manager want to know how many times 300 umbrella would produce. Would you search in Google database or TCS database? You have to write some code for that or not? To write that code, we use length concept, guys. I mean, count concept. Okay, count functions. Just go here, count 20. Now, the moment when you say L dot count tab, you can go for 40. Just try this. One or not. If I copy and I want to type 1000, so it is error or empty list, or what is error? Just check. 0. It is not give you error. See the numbers which are not in the list, the numbers which are not in the list, when you type, it won't give you bug, but it give you 0. That means the element is not available in my assigned list in the memory allocations. In the memory allocations. Am I clear or not? So Python is object-oriented programming language. What is Python, guys? Object-oriented programming language. What is meant by object? See, when we stand in front of a mirror, so I can see my object or not. When someone come and stand in front of mirror, my object is disappear. I mean to say, just here, I'm trying a equal to 5. Now, when I execute 5, now I create a memory space where a variable stored value 5. A user, next code, when you write a equal to 6, just call a. Now 5 is replaced with 6 or not. Getting my point? That's called object oriented. I'll tell you, in real time problems solved by objects. I want to speak with you. I use my microphone or not? This is an object. You want to travel from your Hyderabad to your home. We use object as a train. That's why Python is object oriented programming, and we need to learn OOPS concepts for that. Oh, I'm sorry. We need to learn which concepts, guys? OOPS concepts. In OOPS, what we have? Class, object, method. But this is a very beautiful course. Understand? When I give you these examples, are you understand or not understand? So examples are very important. Many people don't understand the codes because you don't know examples. So am I clear? So all reality problem happens AR, VR. We do a object or not? So remember this one. So the next one. So Python is object oriented programming. Let's get back to the code. Let's get back to the code now. Equal to 6. Just understand. Count functions, I hope understand everyone. What exactly the count function does? What exactly count function does, guys? It will check how many repetitions is occurred in the list. Next one. Can you go to other one? Now I will share, as I said, occurrence of an item. Very good side. Now I want to, today I will share. Let me finish one by one. Can we complete list today? Just give me some time. Can we complete list, everyone, online team? And I will share you this book and you gain more confidence. And yep, just little speed. Just go to this one. Now I'll add more cell. Everyone add more cell. L dot, tell me, append we finished, clear, copy, count, index. I'll go to the index. So before that, L tab. Okay, before I go ahead, what is index, guys? L dot index 20. 20, which index, guys? 0, 1. Do you see index or not? It will give you positions of index positions of a element. So see, I will talk about elements of value, anything you can call. This is one. Now L dot index, I want to know two element together, 20 comma 30. It is a bug because 20 is not in list. 20 is in the list, but you cannot define two argument here. Are you work with me? Can you check? Are you got this error? Are you got this error, team? Are you get this error online, guys? Yep. So, but we have two 20s in the list. No problem. So that's why we do L. Okay, good question. L dot index. See, one student ask a questions. Very good, Sai. Vasista. Sai Vasist ask a questions. We have a 220, isn't it? 220, 120, 220. But which 20 I need to go for? This is one index or last index. Shift tab, written first index always. Got the concepts? What exactly index concept saying? It written the first value. So even though I'll add 20 here, so that's why you got check 1. Am I clear, guys? Index concepts, are you clear? Online team, index concepts, are you clear? Okay, got it. Fantastic. Always try to take help options. Always try to take help options. Now L dot tab, copy, count, extend. I'll go back to one. Insert and pop, remove. Okay. L dot pop. What is pop? Music. Hey, no man. There is a concepts in list. Shift tab, remove and return item at index by default is last. Do you read this? What exactly meaning of it? First, the element default last element will remove and it will return to us. Got the logic? That means just add a new cell L. Can you tell me what is last element now? Sir, then Alina, please work. Can I talk to the instructor after this? Definitely. What's your questions? Praveen, definitely, man. We will talk. Okay. Yeah. So L dot pop, what is the last 20 or not? Shift means remove and default last. Just go here and execute. 20 is removed. Now, when I go ahead L, can I get 20 or it will remove, guys? Can I get 20 or it will remove? Just check, it will remove. Am I clear or not? So what is difference between remove functions then? So in here, in pop, we pass element, but now L dot remove, just go to the remove, Shift tab. Remove first occurrences of the value. Now, when I say 20, what is first occurrence? Just go ahead and check. This one or this one, guys? Just first occurrence 20, 10, 20. So when I say L dot remove 10, what is the first occurrence? Can I delete first value or last value? Online team response, please. Can we get first value or last value? Zeroth index. Very good. Just check this. Now let's check L. So what is difference between pop and remove? Pop by default, it print, it remove last elements. But now L dot pop, if I give 3 true, I mean, that means 0, 1, 2, 3. We have a true or not? But now let's check L. True is eliminated or not? See, guys, are you understand or not? Online team and offline team. Very simple. I'm trying. You also working with me. There's a 2 questions. I'll go to the code now and try here. In office, 29 hours we work code. Pop and remove. Pop by default, which last element or last value. Am I clear? And if a user mention pop of index numbers, then the index value will be deleted. Got the logic? What I'm saying? Online team and offline team. When we mention index value, the index value, can you please repeat pop concepts? So deals. Okay, now let me tell you one more time. Let's go ahead with pop. Listen to me. I will explain one more time. First, L2. L2, these elements I have or not? Listen to me. L2 dot pop. I didn't done any argument here. So I pop functions and shift tab by default, which one? Last one. Just go ahead and execute NIT. Just go to L2. NIT is eliminated. Pretty clear? First concept pop by default is last. Now, interview questions is using pop functions. Can you remove third index? Can you remove third element? Interview question is using pop functions. Can you remove third element? So N2 dot pop. What is third index value? Just when you say third is 40 or not? 0, 1, 2, 3. It will display and remove. Just go and check L2. What is removed, team? Now, I hope everybody clear. This is pop, but L2 dot remove and here true. So which one true? This will remove or not? Do you see it doesn't display the number or not? But in pop display the number, but remove does not display the number. So here you go to L2. So I hope we guys understand. Third element will be 30. Pratish, third element will be 40 because Python index begins with 0. How do we count? In school days, our teacher trained us. We count the number from 1, 2, 3. But Python, the number starting from 0, 1, 2. Are you clear, Pratish? I hope today's first day. Yes, I remove value at index and value. That's first occurrence. Fantastic. Now you make a note. One by one. Fantastic. You work with me every day. Just see the result. You trust yourself. Then let's go to the. Can we go to another code now? Can we go to another code? Then I'll share the code today. Just stay with me. This is not a rocket science. To understand this data science required common sense. And practice. Code is not required. 17 years back when I went to the companies, there we have to very much hard work for a code. Understand? But nowadays, many companies not exactly worried about code. They worried about automizations. How my process is automized. So there's a different concepts. I'll explain all those things together. Next one. Meaning third value didn't mean by index. Okay, now you got it. Yep. Okay, good. Next, this data structure is very important. This data structure we implement in projects later. So L2 dot. Now here, there's a few concepts. I'll go here, L2. So just tab. So many of them insert index. Okay, insert, reverse, and sort. So guys, I will give you this document and we will complete rest of them tomorrow because some of the new students are here. Let me talk to them today. And once the complete batch formed, once the Google online free link will changed, you see a different versions. I mean to say, again, everyone has to open. It's a mandatory offline team. It is a mandatory. You have to bring the laptop and work with me. And it is a interactions classes. It is interactions classes. Interactions means doesn't mean you have to talk. You talk with the code, I can listen. Clear, everyone? So can I share this link to you, this PDF? This PDF I can share. And whatever concepts, I would say better I will share tomorrow. I will share this file to you and I will explain few things. Just one moment. Don't go team. Please share today's class in YouTube. Mohammed, it's already live going on in YouTube. The live is going on in YouTube. So I want to make things pretty clear. Just 1 second. Let's go to file and go here and download. This is where I teach. This is where I teach. It doesn't matter your expertise, your leader, CEO, CFO have to learn from scratch. Very much clear. If you're expert Python, you apply a job Python and start learning. Understand? If you need a job, if you're expert in Java, .NET, you need to increase money, apply job one side, learn one side. In IT market, till last breath, we have to study. Very much clear. The moment when you stop study, the financial cash flow will stop. Remember, based on why I'm saying these words, you understand after 7 years. What I'm speaking, you understand